Hey everyone, it's the most wonderful time of the year. We're surrounded by delicious food, festive decorations and spending quality time with loved ones. But let's be real, all those holiday treats, while tempting, can sometimes leave us feeling sluggish and a little guilty. The good news is you don't have to deprive yourself to stay healthy during the holidays. We can indulge in the festive cheer while also nourishing our bodies with some incredible superfoods. That's right, Christmas isn't just about gingerbread and eggnog. It's also a time for some seriously delicious and healthy foods that will keep your energy levels high throughout the season. Holiday treats everywhere, but can you stay healthy without missing out on the fun? Let's uncover the Christmas superfoods that boost your health and energy. Let's kick things off with a holiday classic, cranberries. You see them in sauces, relishes, and even cocktails, but did you know these little red berries are packed with antioxidants? We're talking about powerful compounds that help protect your cells from damage, boosting your overall health, and with all the holiday gatherings and potential exposure to germs, a strong immune system is key. Cranberries are a natural source of vitamin C, which is known to support immune function. So enjoying cranberries isn't just about adding a festive touch to your meals, it's about giving your body an extra layer of defense during cold and flu season. But the benefits don't stop there. Cranberries are also a good source of fiber, which aids digestion and helps you feel fuller for longer. This can be especially helpful during the holidays when we tend to indulge in heavier meals. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Dr. Mike, I'm not a huge fan of cranberry sauce. And that's okay, there are plenty of other ways to enjoy this superfood. Try adding dried cranberries to your trail mix, tossing them into salads, or blending them into smoothies for a tangy twist. Remember, a healthy diet doesn't have to be restrictive. It's about finding delicious and enjoyable ways to incorporate nutrient-rich foods like cranberries into your holiday meals and snacks. So go ahead, enjoy those cranberries and give your body a healthy boost this Christmas. Next up, we have a holiday staple that's not only delicious but also incredibly good for you, walnuts. These little powerhouses are packed with nutrients, especially omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. Think of omega-3s as brain food. They help improve memory, focus, and overall cognitive function. And let's be honest, during the busy holiday season, we can all use a little extra brain power to handle those shopping lists, party planning, and family gatherings. But the benefits of walnuts don't stop there. They're also a great source of antioxidants, which, as we learned earlier, help protect your cells from damage. Plus, they're rich in fiber and protein, keeping you feeling full and satisfied, which can be helpful in managing those holiday cravings. Now, how can you incorporate more walnuts into your holiday diet? Well, they make a fantastic snack on their own, perfect for munching on during those holiday movie marathons. You can also add them to your yogurt, oatmeal, or salads for a satisfying crunch. And here's a pro tip. Try toasting your walnuts before adding them to your dishes. Toasting enhances their naturally nutty flavor and adds a warm, comforting aroma to your meals. So this holiday season, don't forget to grab a handful of walnuts and give your brain and body a healthy boost. Chapter 3. Brussels sprouts. Don't just decorate the table. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Brussels sprouts for the holidays. But trust me on this one. These little green gems are a nutritional powerhouse and deserve a place on your holiday table. Often overlooked, Brussels sprouts are packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can benefit your health in numerous ways. First and foremost, they are an excellent source of vitamin C, even more so than oranges. As we discussed earlier, vitamin C is crucial for a strong immune system, something we all need during the winter months. But that's not all. Brussels sprouts are also a great source of vitamin K, which plays a vital role in blood clotting and bone health. And let's not forget about the fiber content. Brussels sprouts are loaded with fiber, which aids digestion, helps regulate blood sugar levels, and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. This can be particularly helpful during the holidays when we tend to indulge in richer, heavier meals. Now I understand that Brussels sprouts haven't always had the best reputation, but there are delicious ways to prepare them that will change your mind. Roasting them with a little olive oil, salt and pepper brings out their natural sweetness and creates a crispy, caramelized texture. You can also shred them and sauté them with garlic and lemon for a simple yet flavorful side dish. This holiday season, don't be afraid to experiment with Brussels sprouts. Incorporate them into your meals and discover a new favorite vegetable that's both delicious and incredibly good for you. Chapter 4. Dark chocolate. Indulge in heart-healthy goodness. Now, who's ready for some good news? Chocolate lovers, rejoice. Dark chocolate in moderation can actually be part of a healthy holiday diet, but here's the catch. We're not talking about those sugary milk chocolate bars. To reap the health benefits, opt for dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, which are powerful antioxidants that can benefit your heart health. These antioxidants help lower blood pressure, improve blood flow, and reduce the risk of blood clots. So indulging in a piece or two of dark chocolate can actually be good for your cardiovascular system. But the benefits don't stop there. Dark chocolate also contains fiber, iron, magnesium, copper, and manganese. It's a nutrient-dense treat that can provide your body with a variety of essential minerals. Now, how can you enjoy dark chocolate during the holidays? Well, a square or two of high-quality dark chocolate after dinner can be a satisfying and guilt-free dessert. You can also incorporate it into your baking by adding chopped dark chocolate to your cookies, brownies, or even your holiday bark. Just remember, moderation is key. While dark chocolate offers health benefits, it's still important to enjoy it as part of a balanced diet and active lifestyle. So this holiday season, savor the rich flavor and health benefits of dark chocolate. But remember, a little goes a long way. Chapter 5, the cinnamon, the sweet spice that regulates blood sugar. Finally, let's talk about a spice that's synonymous with the holidays, cinnamon. This warm and comforting spice isn't just for flavoring your favorite holiday treats, it also offers some impressive health benefits, particularly when it comes to regulating blood sugar levels. Cinnamon has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity, which means it helps your body use insulin more effectively to regulate blood sugar. This is especially important during the holidays when we tend to consume more sugary foods and drinks. By incorporating cinnamon into your diet, you can help prevent those sugar highs and crashes that can leave you feeling sluggish and irritable. But the benefits of cinnamon don't stop there. It also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Plus, it's a good source of antioxidants, which, as we've learned, protect your cells from damage. Now, how can you incorporate more cinnamon into your holiday diet? Well, it's a natural addition to all sorts of holiday treats, from pies and cookies to spiced cider and eggnog. But don't limit yourself to sweets. Cinnamon also pairs well with savory dishes, adding a warm, earthy flavor to roasted vegetables, stews, and even chili. This holiday season, embrace the warm, comforting flavor of cinnamon and enjoy its blood sugar regulating and anti-inflammatory benefits. Sprinkle it on your oatmeal, add it to your smoothies, or use it to spice up your favorite holiday recipes. So there you have it, your guide to staying healthy and energized throughout the holiday season with the power of superfoods. From boosting your immune system to supporting heart health and regulating blood sugar levels, these festive foods can help you feel your best while enjoying all the deliciousness this time of year has to offer. Remember, a healthy holiday season is all about balance. Indulge in moderation, make mindful choices, and don't forget to incorporate these superfoods into your diet. Fuel your holidays with these superfoods and stay energized while enjoying the festive season. What's your favorite healthy holiday treat? Share in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more holiday health tips.